Good morning from Ninh Binh, Vietnam. We arrived here yesterday from Ha Giang on a sleeper bus, which was supposed to take us 6 hours, but ended up actually taking us 9 hours because the driver decided to stop off and pick up a bunch of cargo. One of those things including about 10 cages of pigs. So yeah,
the
it was long.
worst journey of my life.
Anyways, we checked into our hotel. We're staying at the Lotus Hotel in Ninh Binh. It's really nice. It's £60 for 3 nights. A little bit more on the expensive side, but still cheap for the way the hotel looks. It's clean. It's got a big bathroom, big bedroom, nice balcony with a beautiful view.
Must I say, I am the view. I'm joking. This has got to be the best hotel we've stayed in yet so far. Last night one was pretty good. This one, 10 out of 10. It's called the Lotus Hotel for a reason because all of these are lotus fields, and we have some rice fields in the back. But it's out of season now, so that's why we can't see any pretty flowers.
So the plan for today is to go and rent out a motorbike and then head over to Son Van River. We may potentially go to that Dragon Mountain. I forgot what it's called. I think it's called Mua Cave,
Yeah.
if I'm correct. So we might head there as well if we still have time. If the weather holds up, then we probably will. But we'll see how the day goes. Right now we need to go get some breakfast because we haven't eaten yet, and it's about 10:45. So let's go. So just come downstairs and rented out a moped. It cost us about 120k for the day. My bad, I got it wrong earlier. It's not Son Van we're going to, it's Trang An. But also we're too late for breakfast at the hotel, so we need to go find something to eat out on the streets.
Don't I look like I'm going horse riding?
So we just arrived at Trang An River and parked up the motorbike. It's 15k for motorbikes, 10k for bicycles. We're gonna go get something to eat here. Cool. And then we'll go see how much it costs to go on the river.
So we've just turned up at Trang An, but I'm starving. I was getting really hungry, so we've just come to the restaurant they have here. So we're gonna get food first before we buy our tickets to head on to that river. Look at it. The view's stunning here. We've now hopped onto the boat, so it's 500k for 2 people, and you share a boat with like 4 of you, but we wanted a private boat, so we paid double, and yeah, you just get the boat to yourself, which I think it's not a bad price for having the boat to yourself.
Yeah. So in total it's $1 million dong.
Yeah, and it's a few hours, this tour, so yeah.
We've gone for route number 2 because I think it's a good mixture of caves and just other scenic routes. Route 1 seems like it's a lot of caves, and route 3 seems like there's just not that much of anything. So route 2 seems like the best one to take.
Yeah. And there's our guide. Hello. Do you guys want to know a fun fact? King Kong was filmed here. Yeah.
Great.
It was. But it was.
So I believe this is a Chinese temple. It is beautiful. We just took a walk around it. Architecture is amazing and the grounds are really well kept. But we're going to jump back on our boat now and head off to our next location.
It's about to rain.
Yep, the weather is not on our side today, man. Hopefully it doesn't start raining too heavily though. And we are on to cave number 2. That is Hang Bang.
It's so much cooler in here. Literally, the temperature and what you see in videos.
Yeah, you need to come here to really experience it because the camera does not do it justice. This is how we are currently because it's pouring with rain outside.
We didn't bring our rain jackets or anything.
Nope,
Although
the weather
we have
lied to
one.
us. It lied to us today. It told us it's going to be sunny today, no rain.
It does
Hopefully.
look really nice in the rain, I'm not gonna lie. It makes it, I don't know.
It does, it's actually really beautiful, to be honest. and we're just arriving at our next location, that is Sui Tien Temple. There goes our guide. So they drop you off here and then you meet them over at the other side of this little island, I guess.
Well, we hope so.
Yeah, imagine he just disappears, leaves us here. So again, a beautiful temple. Not much I can really say about it because most information is in Vietnamese, but it looks really nice.
It is nice, but be aware that you have to cover your shoulders, you have to cover your knees, and I totally forgot to bring my scarf to cover my shoulders. So unfortunately I can't enter the temple, but I can still walk around the grounds and it's still as beautiful.
And we're going to head back to our tour guide and jump back on the boat and head to our next location. We are approaching what again I believe is our final stop off. So this is Vu Lam Royal Step. Let's go take a look at it. I think this is the main event that everyone really comes to see. But there is also, what I believe, is a temple here. So we'll go check that out and then we'll come have a look at that as well. And we are on the move again. The wind has picked up a little bit. Hope it doesn't get worse. Feels like storm's coming. As you can see, there is no shortage of tour guides out here.
So we've just finished Trang An River and pay for parking, hit the roads, go back to our hotel. Whoa, sorry, if you look at the floor, right, it's holes everywhere. So I can get changed because I can't climb 500 stairs in the dress. We'll see you at the Dragon.
So as you can see, we are not at the Dragon and it's also nighttime outside. That's because by the time we got back to the hotel to get changed and stuff, and then if we would have to get changed and then go back to the Dragon, it would have gotten dark. So there's no point, so we are going to go tomorrow. But we did plan on going to Bading Pagoda night market, which we did actually go to, and it was really underwhelming. I think there was only like 4 stalls there. Maybe it's just not popping tonight. So we drove around Tam Kok or Ninh Binh just to see what there was, and there wasn't really much going on. So we'll end the vlog here and we'll see you guys in the next one, where we will be definitely going to Dragon Mountain, Mua Cave. I think that's what it's actually called. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications, because we'll see you in the next one. Peace.